Thank you for watching my video. Today we will learn how to do this beautiful coin purse, and everything you need for this project you will find below on a link for my blog, and there you can find the list of material that we need, and you found a link for our pattern. But make sure that you print the pattern, make sure that you cut the pattern, and you can draw on the wrong side of your fabric. And you will use two fabrics, and my suggestion for this step is using this pen. If you don't have, if you want to use what you have, it's okay, but my suggestion, this pen is amazing for this project. And you will need this foot for the zipper as well, and everything else you need aligning your fabric. What I use will be there in my description, and if you don't want lining, it's okay, but I line my fabrics, and is ready to go. There we go. To prepare the holder, you just put the ring inside, and we will sew here. First thing we will do is put the zipper. So we will put the both parts of zipper here. So we'll take the outside. Can you see here on the zipper that you can see the zipper outside, the right side? So you will put it the right side with the right side, and you'll find the middle. Normally when I do this, I do these with another kind of zipper. So I cut these parts off here, and you will feel crazy that I'm crazy to do that, but I will take the zipper head off, and I will cut the other part as well. I will open the zipper, okay? Two parts, the zipper. So the right side of the zipper with the right side of this part. Don't worry about the middle now. So you put it together. Normally when you put it together, you can use these clips. Now the other side, the wrong side, I will put it the wrong side with the right side of the inside fabric, and I will make sure that everything is in the same line. Can you see that? And because I like to use the clips, it's easier to use them. So you have here a sandwich with the right side and the wrong side, okay? So let's do it. Oh yes, well, to sew a zipper, normally the machines comes with this special foot, okay? That is for zipper. That is the normal one that comes with the machine. Here you have the sandwich that we want, okay? The right side of the zipper and the outside fabric with the inside fabric. So it's easy peasy, right? These two parts here and the other part of the zip. So everything again, the wrong side, the right side of the zipper with the right side of the outside fabric, and we'll put the clips again. Now we do a sewing here on this side. We did on the other side, so we do on this side as well. So need to be very near here. Okay, so we did the sew here near, so be when you open the zipper it will be easier. Now we need to put them together. See here the line. Can you see this line here? They need to be right so the parts will be in a level. Okay, so let's do. So the bigger one, you put it the bigger one first. Okay, and you will heard a click, and you know the zipper is inside. And can you see here? So I can come a little bit more, and I can start to put the other part. So easy peasy. So I will take off again, so I will make sure everything is closed, and I will put again. I will do again. I will open a little bit, and let's see if you can see better if I put in here. So let's see if I can show again. So we put it all together, and see, and you put in the middle. Okay, put the head in the middle. So now we will close the purse. We'll close all around. So to close, you got to put the both outside together, okay, and the inside fabric together. Well, I put already my tag and the holder here. Well, normally I put one finger under the zipper line. Can you see that? I have the tag here. Well, the tag normally is like that, but I got to put it this way. When I turn my bag inside out, the tag will be this way. So we put it on this way here. So we do the sandwich, and we will put a close with, if you want, for those that doesn't have too much experience, you can use pins or these clips and put it all together. Okay, so I did my sandwich. I put some clips around, and we will sew from here all around to here. So we'll leave like 4 fingers here open, so then we can do the inside out, pull the bag inside out. Okay, so remember to leave, you got to leave one part here open, so it's the space that we'll do the inside out. So can you see here is a curve, so or you use the scissors like that, have this, like you do some, it's easy. Or if you don't have the scissor, you can use a very good scissors to do some picks like that. Can you see? Not inside the sewing line, but near. But I prefer using the scissors here. It's very handy. Okay, now it's time to go inside out. Back, I sew everything all around and I left a space here. It's, as you can see, it's open, so we'll pull. Remember that we left a little bit the zipper in the middle open, so we will try to open the zipper. Is easy, and pull inside out. And you turn, you take something not pointy, not the scissors, no scissors, and you will to help do the edges. You can do some stitches by hand or by machine. How to do to close the back, to do manually and not showing a stitch. So you will need a needle and thread. And come outside and you just finish. So the little bag is done. Just turn the inside out and it's done. There it is. We finish, and you can see inside and with a tag. That's the unicorn coin bag. You can put coins, you can put cards and little bits, or lipstick, or SIM card, or whatever you want. Is very useful bag to have. Easy to make. See ya. Please hit that like and subscribe.